Today we're off to visit a tea plantation in Sri Lanka to see how the world famous Ceylon tea is actually made. Some of the leaves just being brought in from the field. There we go. So these are the fresh leaves now. Hey, very good. Here, and it really does smell like tea.
Hooks, monorail. So you can see the same setup in the meat factory also, where the meat will be hung here and travel around. 80% of moisture from this tea leaves using this machine called trough. Red button. Here you can. So that is the feed copper of the rolling machine. Like. So we will feed the tea leaf in the top of the feed copper and it will directly come to the top of the cake. It's so narrow because we are supplying nearly 130 degrees Celsius of hot air from the oxidation. Polyphenol will react with the oxygen air and it will get oxidized. See in our factory, I will show you the grades. And using these two machines, one is called Michi chipter and another one is called Chota chipter. Michi chipter for the large size particle separation, like the large particle, like we call it as OPA, PECO, that's our large grades. Here we are using different mesh sizes, so different mesh, so different size of particle will come.
Drying machine takes 21 minutes apparently, and it's very hot in this room. These are the 18 different grades we produce in our factory. The first grade, Builder's tea, Turkish tea, tea tips and Indian chai. So, and the last one is Sri Lankan tea, the dust tea. 96% caffeine for the Sri Lankan people, local market. Sri Lankan people drink this tea with milk and sugar in morning, evening and night, all time of the day. In milk and sugar, evening, nights. Like that we will separate. After we will do the process. This gets taken now to Colombo.
Only the truck can come. Again peco with the jasmine petals. Same name. It will be mentioned in the package. So for the tea purchasing you without milk and sugar, without sugar you can drink it. Very aromatic, which blend the peco
Earl Grey tea now.
It is a citrus fruit, similar.
I hope you really get the idea about the tea manufacturing, tea grade and tea tasting. I hope you will enjoy this work. I do really enjoy it. Thank you so much for your
That would be Chris's.